Hello, my set of soap. Today I will be making my dog cupcakes because it's his 6th birthday. I will be using this recipe by Jen Woodhouse. I will link it in the description bar below. All the ingredients are safe to eat for dogs. I did research, which you should do before making any treats for your pets so you don't kill them. So let's get started. And before I make the pupcakes, you can't forget the birthday hat. Ta-da! Welcome to Baking with Soph, starring Soph. She's attempting to do this. She might be good or she might not be, so hope you enjoy, yeah. And welcome back to another Baking with Soph. Always wash your hands before using the kitchen or the stove. And if you're under the age of maybe 8, have parent supervision to help in the kitchen. Okay, I got most of my ingredients out, so now it's time to mix them together. I just finished mixing all the ingredients. It looks like this. Yummy. Now I'm going to go pour this into the cupcake liners. Now these are going to go in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Goodbye. Et voila, this is what it looks like. I added some peanut butter frosting. Now it's for the big picky judge to try it. Oh, wish me luck.
Here you go, Cooper. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cooper. Happy birthday to you.
Well, if Cooper's not gonna eat it, I will. Tastes pretty good. I was wrong, yay, he ate it. Okay, moral of the story, wait till the cupcake gets cooler because your dog most likely won't eat it hot. That's what I learned. And I got care in my teeth. Anything to say to my set of soap? Oh my gosh, it's like kinda good. I wish there was bacon in it. Wow, okay. I don't eat myself in it. That's really good. Anyways, thanks for watching today's video. Happy birthday, Cooper. I'll see you in the next one. Stay happy and positive. Bye, my sets of soap.